Welcome back to my channel here. This is Pedro Fame. So I'm back with another video for you guys. I told you this Sunday I was going to do the light bulb installation for you guys, a smart light bulb. So I am going to do that in this video. So you guys can see all the light bulbs that I have here. This is just a backup set. This is a set for the places that I'm not going to have to be smart. These are going to be individually, strategically put. All 8 of those. Also, before we dive into that, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys some new packages that arrived. I told you guys there's some more that didn't arrive yet. So that is another package from Walmart. That's a pair of shoes. And this is the PS4 Pro in Glacier White. There's gonna be more. There's gonna be 2 videos of this one comparing it to the PS5, and also it on the Samsung M7. So watch out for that video. But without further ado, let's unbox these. I'm telling you guys, I'm so excited for the last couple things that have came in so far. Don't expect anything new to really show up here, like new products show up. This is probably these are the last packages to no, there's one more package to show up after this, but I won't show that one on camera. That's just one thing that's insignificant. But don't expect new products for a while. Okay, just spend a lot of money on a lot of this stuff. So I think you guys can guess by this box which shoes these are. You zoomed in hard enough, you can already know what that is. But, yes sir, the Jordan 6 UNCs. Yes sir. I've been waiting on these. They're about to be lit as hell. One of my favorite shoe designs, and I wanted these so bad. So glad they came in and I got them. So, and then the next one, let's open up this one. I got my knife. Unless this one is already operable without it. I don't think this one even has any packaging, right? I'll be real with you. I'm going to set you guys up. I can feel it in there. I still feel like it's the wrong one, by the way. Whatever this package is, it's not. Wow. Quality, they say. That's what Walmart preaches. Quality. But this is the one I was looking for. They just forgot the rest of the motherfucking packaging. Like, alright. This is another iPad 12.9 inch. Probably wondering why do I have 2. Yeah, this one dead. Like the last one, but the other one clean. This one, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one yet, but I'm figure it out. So if you guys don't know why I have 2, it's because I had went ahead and bought one at Best Buy because Walmart kept messing up my order. Getting one of these things, and they finally shipped me one. That was a good one. So that's really on that one, but let's go ahead and let's get to the real meat and potatoes of this video. So you guys can see that. You can see that these are GEs. These are smart light bulbs. I need to buy a bunch of them. And they're gonna be around my house. You guys are gonna see that coming up. Alright. So, certain spot numero uno is here. I had sit you up there. Screw here. So first one's gonna go up top, like here. These aren't bad light bulbs. Just some light bulbs on here. Bless you guys. Soft white. You guys will see what I mean when I say soft white. Alright, let's go get the rest of them. And then later on in the video, I'm going to show you guys how to program them. Alright, let's get down to business with these ones. I'm gonna see if these will be it or the other ones might need to be it, so we'll find out. There's 3 here, I forgot. Third one. Alright. Let's go. You guys wondering why this room is so messy. Sorry for that. It definitely does need to be changed. Alright. Bigger. I don't know if it can fit on there. No. Alright. These are laughably. Alright. Laughably too big. Let's go ahead and fix that. Yeah. So we're gonna regroup here. Take these out. Big old bag. These are massive. As you can see, other one. I bowling that day. I'll fix that. Oh. Alright. Now, let's go there. Even though that looks funny as hell. Let go. Now we're back again. Nope. Okay, one more. I'm gonna grab another one. Alright. So I just need one more on this one. Shut up and down. Alright. Let me tell you, this thing, not easy, guys. This dumb one. Okay. And then I gotta set them up. So, and then I got, oops. One more, as you can see there. So, another place that I was thinking about something that was in here, but clearly not when you have these white ones here. So, that's the reason why I bought that big old pack. One for the here, set them up there, and redo that one there. Man, maybe. No, that one will get redone. I'm sorry, but there's a reason why I bought light bulbs. So you guys can see two there. Three installed here. I have one more here, and I do have another set in my bedroom. Not going to show you the bedroom. Not It's not done yet. Not done yet. But I am going to go ahead and add another clip of me with the app, doing it, setting it up, show you guys different light features and stuff like that when it gets to it. So I will go ahead and slide over to the next one. Hey guys, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what it's like on the phone so you guys can see. So you have to go into the CGE app. That's what I was using to change the light color and to connect the light bulbs to my house and to get them to smart work. Hey guys, so I'm back. So you guys can see here it is the clear white. You saw it was yellow earlier. It's because you can go into the app and just turn it to cool white like I did. So you can see the cool white version. I did mess it up. I'm gonna have to redo it again, which sucks. But I'm gonna have to redo it again because some of them only stay yellow, but some of them can go cool white as well. But you can see the yellow on there. But like I said, guys, that is the video. It took me so long. It took me like, I don't know, 30, 35 minutes. It took me a really long time to do it, but it's done. It looks good. Here's all the light bulbs that I use if you guys want to use them. They are the GE kind of, I don't know if they work with Google Home because it didn't work with my Google Home app. I had to use the C by GE app to get these to work, but they could work with your Google Home device. I just don't know why it didn't work with mine, but I digress. So make sure you stay tuned, like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I will see you guys in the next one.